We want this punch to be served hot, so we are gonna heat the rest of the ingredients using a saucepan. We're gonna add 500 ml of pomegranate juice, 150 ml of our puree, 250 ml of port wine to the bowl. We're gonna add a couple of dashes of Angostura bitters or any other bitters to increase the spice flavor of the drink. Also, we're gonna use 2 cinnamon sticks, and now we're gonna heat all together. We're gonna pour all the tea, raspberry puree, the juices, 100 milliliters of lemonade. We are gonna add some fresh fruits on the top of the punch. Let's gonna bring a little stir to the drink to mix all together. It's gonna fill the glasses with the beautiful punch. It's gonna make sure that everybody has 1 or 2 pieces of fresh fruit in the glass. Our beautiful Christmas punch.